In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Morning Doji Star Bullish, quick and easy. This will be a short, focused walkthrough so you can follow along on your own charting platform without any confusion. I'll be using Tradingview as the example, but the process will feel very similar on most modern charting tools. First, make sure you have your chart open with the asset and time frame you want to analyze. It could be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, anything you normally trade. Once your chart is ready, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies and sits in the main toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the built-in tools and scripts live, including candlestick pattern detectors. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type the word STAR. Keep it simple, just the word STAR. As you type, Tradingview will start filtering the list of available indicators and candlestick patterns that match your search. In the results that appear, look for the one called Morning Doji Star Bullish. This is a specific candlestick pattern that traders use to spot potential bullish reversals after a downtrend. It combines a strong bearish candle, a doji that signals indecision, and then a strong bullish candle, suggesting buyers are stepping back in. Once you see Morning Doji Star Bullish in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see highlights or markers on your chart wherever this pattern appears. If you don't notice anything right away, try zooming out a bit or scrolling back in time. Some patterns may be more visible on certain timeframes or market conditions. You can also open the indicator settings by hovering over its name in the chart legend and adjusting colors, visual style, or turning alerts on or off, depending on your preferences. Finally, if you find Tradingview useful and want more features like multiple charts, more indicators per layout, or additional alerts, check out the affiliate link in the video description to upgrade to Tradingview Pro. It's a simple way to unlock more tools while supporting the channel at the same time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Morning Doji Star Bullish pattern to your chart and you're ready to start using it in your analysis.